In this video, I will try to guide all of you about the schematic and how to teach the student to read the schematic. For an example, I took Samsung J7 as a model, and as we know that the schematic has two parts. This is the POP or layout diagram, and then this one a lot of line is, we call it diagram schematic. But right now I will explain about how to know the kind of smartphone we learn, and how to know the current flow, and how to start the how the current start to flow. Okay, I will show you by this method. First, we must start from battery connector. Why? Because the power source from battery connected to mainboard with this battery connector. Okay, let's make a sign. Okay, I make a note. Samsung J7 start from battery connector. The component code, CC component code is like this: BTC 4000. Okay, right now we must find it in schematic, diagram schematic. Okay, that's the way to find the component we want to know. Okay, like this. We open with full reader search. With this method, we can see that the component we're looking for just one spot or one instance without leaving the page. Okay, and then to show clearly, just adjust the zoom, okay, or the percentage of this picture. Okay, here we are. Right now the picture show about the battery connector. Okay, let's find out all the battery connector. This is the component code, and then this is the serial product code. We can find it in Google, and right now I will find out all the pin from battery connector, but the important to know VBAT first. Okay, pin 1 as VBAT, and we know that VBAT is power source, main power source for mobile phone main power. Okay, and let's check it all by this method, use it and then paste. So okay, we must click the feedback the same as the feedback we were looking for. If the feedback sentence is different, we don't have to click it. Okay, just like this. The differences about feedback and feedback with the sentence double T, we don't need to click it. Just click the same sentence. Okay, feedback. Okay, feedback we find. Okay, I'll make a note. Feedback, this is the track of feedback. Feedback goes to unit. Okay, then find another feedback. Okay, feedback goes to, that's the first step we must to do to make all feedback ways okay, I try to copy the type of this unit IC and we can check later. Okay, next, feedback goes to pump. So if we have done it all, that's very neat for the short case or the dead bone with short feedback. Okay. Yeah. This is the way I make. This is the way. This is the step I take to get all about feedback. Name change, name change, the name change into feedback triple MB, multi-mode, multi-band. Okay. Don't be hurry, just okay, sign like this. Through this R, through this resistor. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, with this R, feedback, change name, change into feedback 40 43 43 8. Okay, we just find it all about feedback. So with that, with this step, we know all the feedback ways better for all blocks in mobile phone. Okay, feedback goes to, as we know, that is the unit central processing or processor. Okay, and we can make it just like this. Okay, with this pin, the number of pin or the spot in IC pin and the name of pin internal IC. Okay, just like this. Okay, that's it. Feedback, which connect to feedback connector, get into, okay, charging IC, as we know, is M, U for is M. Okay, we can check the pin H, pin X7, X8, the name of pin, charge out. Okay, find the other pin which connected to feedback. Okay, feedback. Okay, bat con, bat. Okay, feedback E2, and okay, okay, feedback get into all the unit which needed feedback as a power source. So that is the important thing. We must track all the feedback ways, so clearly we can know if there are some case like feedback short, and we must check all the unit with connected with feedback. Okay, but after searching all the feedback ways, just make a priority the feedback way with the same code as a group unit with battery connector, so we can make sure that the battery connector work for which IC or which unit. Okay, to find it all the component with the same code like this, BTC 4000. Okay, after searching we can check like this, or we can put the note, no, not it, U6000. okay, so U6001. okay, feedback is on off, feedback con. Okay, same as feedback, but I want to fix the purpose of or the goal of feedback way. This is U4002. okay, that's the feedback way with this same code. okay, still the same location. okay, U4 SM 5703. okay, this is a regulator which connected to feedback. As we know that the LDO regulator need to support the power management IC, and the regulator usually used to support the small circuit like UI or user interface regulator with where the regulator work with enable after clicking the application. Just be patient. Okay, schematic was locked, so I can block, just type it. Okay, sorry if I track slowly because I want to make sure the pivot we are looking for connect the component with the same code. Okay, make sure all the pivot. Okay, so after finishing after finish the searching, arrange the component code. Nah, and then we must concern to U4002 and then U4004 as SMB, as we know that the switch charging IC change the pivot. Okay, consent to U4. Okay, after pivot goes into this pin or this line. Okay, pivot goes into this line E1, and then pivot cone goes to G7 as battery regulator, and after entering to this IC, the IC will check all the current and the voltage, pivot voltage or pivot current available on battery, and then this interrupt will give a report of the battery current or the battery voltage level. If the battery is low, the interrupt this interrupt will goes to CPU and tell that the battery need to be charged. After giving travel charger, this if there are two conditions. If battery low, the condition battery will show battery need to be charged, but if the battery is high enough, and this line, the battery will goes to a system. Okay, will goes to the system, and then the pivot will pivot will this this part is inactive because usually the feedback change into system and then goes out, become on power or phases. But right now in this Samsung J7, the feedback still it doesn't change to the other name, just feedback. Okay, feedback as a supply and then feedback as the charging charging circuit as the same line. So there no change name, feedback into phases or feedback into P power. Okay, I will continue with another video.